or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until the National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, western Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:19 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles west of Semmes to 6 miles southwest of Grand Bay, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Midtown Mobile, Downtown Mobile, Richard, Daphne, Tillman's Corner, Fairhope, Saraland, Baymonette, Theodore, Chickasaw, Satsuma, Spanish Fort, Grand Bay, Bayou La Battery, Creola, Point Clear, Stockton, Stapleton, Axis, and Tanner Williams. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time for South Central and Southwestern Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time for South Central and Southwestern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin and Mobile,